Kulanga muli bwanji? Kulanga muli bwanji? Mwambaja zina cha ndani?
Shaiman Shaizo.
Kodi ndamenewa?
Shaiman Shaizo.
Zina gani lipatipo?
Shaiman Shaizo.
Kulanga. Adi mwino landlord ndinu?
Kali ndio.
Inuyo? Iya asira ni chipeo. Zina lodi ndani?
Shaiman.
Marinda?
Shaiman Shaizo.
Pachatu last time munazauza hapo and what do you do here? Pacha ino ndo English.
I'm copying of passengers.
Mwatijani?
Copying of passengers.
Kianglezo ne pango what do you do?
I'm copying of passengers.
You're copying your passengers.
Yes.
What do you mean?
Yes, and I'm going to Karimodo.
Kizungu chake ndijani?
Copying of passengers.
What does mean? What does this copying your passengers mean?
And I'm going to Karimodo.
In English?
Copying of passengers.
Yes. Can you explain?
Oh, those things zigo wamoja.
Yes.
Copying of passengers and I'm going to Karimodo.
Kulanga. Ababa tunena kuti silanga now we've gone into English.
Yes.
Let people know about this in English.
Okay.
Ndianga neni bino.
I am
Yes.
Shaiman Shaizo.
Yes.
I'm a core boy.
You
Cool boy. Cool boy.
Cool boy.
Yes.
What does a cool boy do?
Cool boy is copying the men, all the wellness sisters, and our brother,
Yeah.
and our brother, and our friend, and he's staying in the car.
And staying in?
Staying in car.
What does this mean?
Car is a bus.
Car is a bus.
Yes.
Okay. And your name is?
Shaiman Shaizo.
Shaiman Shaizo.
Yes.
Zina swala nembedo abati? Pakoma bobo. Kulanga ndino chuka.
I am Hardware. King of Hardware.
You are a Chani?
King of King.
You are a hardware.
Yes.
You are what?
Deaf at Hardware. Shaiman Shaizo. I am here.
And just maybe energy angle to join it. Come on, about television.
Yes.
You are what?
Me, I am Shaiman Shaizo, deaf at Hardware. I'm a copying of passengers in Andwalo Garimodo.
What do you do?
Copying of passengers. I'm a cowboy.
You are what?
I'm cowboy. Cool boy.
Cool boy. Oh,
Yes.
cool boy.
Yes.
And what does a cool boy do?
Okay, cowboy. Couldn't Maitanira.
Maitanira.
Yes. Minibus.
Okay. So now explain in English.
I am a cool boy in copying minibus. And I'm wearing Garimodo.
How do you do?
I am a cool boy.
You are a cool boy.
Yes.
Nemukafuna kuti anthu ajabwera mfuna maitanira bwanji.
A copying. Copying.
Chichewa ndi urani? Kuitanira.
Kuitanira.
Pachizungu ndi chani?
Copying.
Ndipo chani mati mibawa chani?
Television.
Yes.
That's it.
Mwezangu amode kato.
Inaweza kwezi naziwalira kwambia. Kwani kale.
Ndikale limecha. Pacha zina lija ndani?
Shaiman.
Shaiman. Are you shy? Are you shy?
Yes.
And what do you do here?
Copying of passengers.
Copying your passengers. Akuti copying your passengers. What does he do?
He meaning that to copying the passengers to ride the bus or any car.
Sorry, I didn't hear that. What does
To copying customers.
Yes.
To copying customers. To ride the bus.
To lie?
Ride.
Okay.
Ride a bus.
Yes.
Or any car.
So it's him. And what do you do?
It's also this one.
You is also this one.
Yeah.
Okay. Meaning what? Shaiman, why are you laughing?
I am a cowboy.
Eh? Why are you laughing?
Laughing for me.
Huh?
Laughing for me.
You are laughing for you.
Me.
Audi is laughing for me.
Me, not you.
Oh, he's laughing for you?
I'm laughing for you.
Yes. Yeah.
Is it mean that?
Yes. Let's put it in English, Shaiman.
Okay.
Yes.
But so I remember you.
Yes.
I tell you, not tell me. You are telling you a job, not a job for me. We're telling a job to you. Okay?
Your job is
Not
the same like me. Your job is the same like me.
Enough. Enough.
What is enough pachichewa ndicha?
Yeah, sindikuziziwa zimene.
Pachizungu ndichani?
Enough.
Enough. Pachichewa?
Sindikuziziwa zimene.
Akuti pachizungu ndichani?
Pachizungu ndito
Akuti enough.
Enough.
Pachichewa?
Sindikuziziwa zimene.
Chizungu ndichake ndichani?
Enough.
Enough. Pachichewa?
Sakuzisiwa.
Sakuzidziwa. Yeah, you do tiri pano pa hardware and it. You said what do you do? Your job is me. What did you say that?
I'm also the job to copying the customers and ride the bus or any car.
Chabwino. Ndiye tingoyerekeza eti pakadali panopo pabwera mzungu afuna akwere mini bus apa. Uyu ndi mzungu. Inuyo mfuna mumita ne mzungu. What do you say? In English.
Oh, I say, my friend, where are you going? The first, where are you going?
Yes.
Yeah?
I'm going to Zomba.
Zomba. Ntengo mamuza bachafusa ntengo. Tafusa nuti how much mufusa nchizungu kuti ndalama zingati?
How many money pay to Zomba?
Tanena Mwatibanji?
How many pay to Zomba?
Mwatibanji?
How many pay you to Zomba?
Oh, free.
Explain bufotokoze bwino msango chula ntengo.
If you want to go to Zomba, the price is 3.5. 3,500.
Okay, assist you. Assist you. I want 2.5. I give you 2.5. Assist you.
Yes, program yake tu ndimene ya supporter. Azungu akumana pamene pa. Akuti assisted.
Assist you.
Mwatibanji kulaga hardware jani?
Hardware tape.
Imene yeti.
Imene pa hardware.
Akuti mpira ndaza amati kuli dabe ama tanzo jani dabe.
That money, hardware dabe is the same as
Tape makata dauza kuti anthu akumana pa malo ose malo amamenya mpira ulimozi. Mwakati icheni wandirazi kumenya ndi icheni brace. Ndi pamene amati icheni brother tape.
Sono Silver kumenya ndi Bullet.
Brace ikumenya ndi Silver.
Yes.
Yeah, anthu ambiri aku brother kuno amasupportera brace. Brace icheni
Tunena za tape tu.
Tape.
Iya sanga iyi mwana.
Yeah, tape singa ibase. Yeah, tape singa ibase.
Is that true?
it's not true.
Lastly, tell people kuti inu paja ndinu ndani?
I'm Simon.
Simon, what do you do?
I'm a couple.
Copy.